I am a third culture kid. My parents migrated from China. I'm the only one born in Australia, and as a result, you create your own culture. I reckon the greatest tool in painting is actually colour, because I think colour is the greatest way of manipulating perspective. I started applying for public artwork grants because it was a way for me to actually expand my artworks in a way that would not be accessible to me alone. This one, I was really attracted to it because it's in a tunnel, and I really love the idea of turning thoroughfare into actually a place of meeting. And so I kind of wanted to bring the concept around Chinatown into this tunnel. The artwork consists of 2 frames, one in the entry, one in the exit. As you travel through the tunnel and you look above, you see these neon lights in the shape of clouds that you see in traditional Chinese paintings. They are on the back of mirrors, so they give you this really cool kind of like trippy double cloud. I was really lucky to be able to meet the archaeologists digging on the site, and they showed me artifacts that showed Chinese settlement there. And so I looked at the designs and tried to kind of incorporate those into the work. It was really, really important for me to consult with First Nation artists that have a better understanding of land than I do.
This shield that you see in the centre of the panel is actually from a Victorian lattice fence that was the community hub where I grew up and started going to as a kid. I started to then illustrate these designs overlaying the Gardiner lily, which is a very important plant for Sydney. It only grows within Sydney, so it's a really strong representation of place.
In my culture, the way that we honour something is to put that thing in the highest point. So I placed Dennis's work at the top of the gate. I guess it's a way of me saying I really respect what you've done, and I'm very thankful that you are willing to be a part of this. With Dennis, I was talking about working with a symbol of harmony or unity. I ended up going for the willow tree. In China, the willow tree was seen as a symbol of friendship. I thought that was a wonderful way of actually being like, hey, I'm offering a willow branch to you, to the community, to the people experiencing this, to Dennis. And so I hope that can come across in the work.